Novo. I saw the signs, but I stayed longer than I should've. Held on to things that was never meant to hold me. Quiet nights, conversations with my soul. God was speaking, I just wasn't letting go. Now I'm walking different, life feel different on me. Chains don't fit me, I outgrew the old me. Doors keep closing, but I see the bigger plan. Lost what broke me, found out who I am. Let Novo, I'm starting over. No weight on my soul, I'm finally sober. Let Novo, from the beginning. No past on me, this time I'm winning. Sometimes innocence be the only protection. God closed doors, I was calling blessings, had to lose it just to really see freedom ain't given, it was always in me. No more change, no more holding on. What didn't grow me had to leave it gone. I release it, every weight that held me down. I don't fight it, I let purpose lead me now. Handcuff free, yeah, I'm walking in my truth. No more limits, I got nothing left to prove. Let go, I'm starting over. No weight on my soul, I'm finally sober. Let go, from the beginning. No past on me, this time I'm winning. This ain't a retry, this is Novo. No past, no chains, no labels left on me. What tried to hold me no longer defines me. Handcuff free, from the beginning, forever.